The legal woes of former President Donald Trump have entered a new and potentially momentous phase, as jury selection commenced in the high-profile hush money case. This federal criminal case, brought by the Manhattan District Attorney's Office, alleges that Trump engaged in unlawful practices to conceal information that could have influenced the 2016 presidential election. At the heart of the case lies the accusation that Trump orchestrated hush money payments to two women, adult film star Stormy Daniels and former Playboy model Karen McDougal, to prevent them from publicly disclosing alleged past sexual encounters with Trump. Prosecutors contend that these payments, facilitated by Trump's former lawyer Michael Cohen, constituted violations of campaign finance laws. As proceedings unfold in a lower Manhattan courthouse, the world watches with bated breath, recognizing the historic nature of a former U.S. president facing criminal charges. The jury selection process promises to be a complex and scrutinized affair, setting the stage for a legal battle that could have profound implications for Trump's political future and the nation's democratic fabric. To fully grasp the significance of the impending trial, it is essential to revisit the core allegations that have brought Trump to this judicial crossroads. The crux of the case revolves around two separate payments made in the lead-up to the 2016 presidential election. The first payment, amounting to $130,000, was made by Trump's former personal lawyer, Michael Cohen, to adult film actress Stormy Daniels, real name Stephanie Clifford. This payment, allegedly orchestrated and reimbursed by Trump himself, was intended to secure Daniels' silence regarding an alleged sexual encounter with Trump in 2006. The second payment, totaling $150,000, was facilitated by American Media Incorporated, AMI, the parent company of the National Enquirer tabloid. AMI purchased the rights to Karen McDougal's story about an alleged affair with Trump, effectively buying her silence through a practice known as catch and kill. Prosecutors allege that Trump was aware of and involved in this arrangement. Based on these allegations, Trump faces several charges, including falsification of business records, a felony offense in New York. While the charges themselves are not directly related to campaign finance violations, prosecutors aim to elevate them to felony status by demonstrating that the falsified records were intended to conceal other crimes, in this case, the alleged violations of campaign finance laws. If convicted, Trump could face penalties ranging from fines to potential imprisonment. However, the true implications of this case extend far beyond the immediate legal ramifications. A conviction could potentially disqualify Trump from holding future federal office, dealing a significant blow to his anticipated bid for the Republican presidential nomination in 2024. As the trial commences, the jury selection process takes center stage, promising to be a meticulous and high-stakes endeavor. Both the prosecution and defense teams will engage in a rigorous vetting process, aiming to impanel an impartial and fair jury capable of rendering a just verdict based solely on the evidence presented. The challenges inherent in this process are amplified by the polarizing nature of the case and the defendant's status as a former president. Potential jurors will face intense scrutiny, with both sides seeking to weed out those harboring potential biases or preconceived notions that could sway their judgment. Moreover, the sheer media attention and public interest surrounding the trial will undoubtedly complicate the jury selection process. Ensuring that prospective jurors have not been unduly influenced by the extensive media coverage or formed unshakable opinions will be a paramount concern for the court. Prosecutors from the Manhattan District Attorney's Office will likely employ a multi-pronged approach in their pursuit of a conviction. Central to their case will be the testimony of Michael Cohen, Trump's former lawyer and the key facilitator of the hush money payments. Cohen, who has already pleaded guilty to campaign finance violations and other charges, is expected to provide detailed accounts of his interactions with Trump and the alleged directives he received regarding the payments to Daniels and McDougal. His credibility and ability to withstand cross-examination will be crucial to the prosecution's case.